Diabetes has become one of the most common health conditions in the 21st century. It can affect anyone regardless of age and gender, and it's directly linked to the hormone that regulates the glucose level in blood, insulin. It appears when the body is unable to use this hormone properly, or when the pancreas can't produce it. If you're not sure you have diabetes, here are some of the most common symptoms, although we recommend doing a blood test to see the precise amount of glucose in your blood. Common symptoms of diabetes: feeling very thirsty, slow healing of cuts and wounds, frequent urination, especially at night, fatigue and tiredness, unexplained loss of weight, genital itching, blurred vision. If you don't treat your diabetes properly and on time, it can lead to further health complications, including kidney failure, nerve damage, blindness, erectile dysfunction, and heart disease. The number of people with diabetes is constantly increasing due to various factors, such as increased stress, processed food, and fast food readily available. Even though there are many medications for diabetes, some of which are quite expensive and might cause certain side effects, you might want to try this simple natural remedy that requires only one ingredient: mango leaves. Mango leaves are loaded with antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals which are extremely beneficial to our health. But here we will tell you how to use them to help reduce and regulate your blood sugar levels. How to use mango leaves for diabetes. You need a glass of water and 10-15 tender mango leaves. Boil the leaves in the water and let them soak overnight. The following morning, strain and drink the liquid before breakfast, on an empty stomach. Drink this mango leaf tea every morning for 2 to 3 months for optimal results. Another way to use these leaves to treat your diabetes is to dry them in a dark place and then crush them into a powder. Use 1/2 teaspoon of this mango leaf powder twice a day. Besides reducing your blood sugar levels, mango leaf tea can treat many other conditions, like diarrhea, fever, high blood pressure, insomnia, colds, bronchitis, varicose veins, and asthma.